Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 12 things holding you back from making money. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the 12 things holding you back from actually making money. So the very first thing is you blame other people. Stop blaming other people from you, whatever it is. So many people take courses and they say they don't do anything about it, and they say that, that person is a scam because, they didn't teach the right information, or, they had missing information. Stop blaming other people. Maybe you need to take a second course, watch more YouTube videos, actually get started. So many things that people stop blaming other people. Google is there, you have the internet, you have everything that you need. There's no reason to blame other people. The only reason why you're failing is you and yourself. And the first, as soon as you start to admit that and realize that, then that's the first step that you're going to make towards success. Because as soon as you realize that it's your fault and you're the only one to blame for it, then you're going to start to take some action to actually blame yourself, but for your success instead of your failure. So, stop blaming other people, because that is the most I don't even have words for this. This is something that's extremely toxic for yourself, and you're just killing your success because you blame other people. So that's the very first thing. The second thing is you think you know it all. I just talked about people that, take courses and things like that. But a lot of people don't even take courses. They don't even watch YouTube videos. They don't do anything about it. They think they know it all. And most people that think they know it all don't do anything because, they just, know it. So, what's the point? And they don't do anything. They don't learn every day. They don't get anything. But here's the truth. The truth is everybody needs to learn all the time. I learn every single day. Bill Gates learns every single day. Jeff Bezos, he learns every single day. Name anybody that's successful, and it doesn't even have to be money. Name anyone that's successful in anything, whether it's sports, whether it's music, whether it's anything. They learn all the time and they don't think they know it all. So if you think you know it all, think again, because you don't. That's the cold hard truth. And as soon as you realize that, that is going to be one step more towards success. Okay, so number 3 is you have fear. So many people are so scared of just, starting even, making your first YouTube video. That might be scary to you. It was for me, certainly. When I first started, I was scared, but I knew that I decided on the date that I was going to start, and I started that date. So you really need to get over the fear. You have fear, that's something that everyone has, but you just have to get over it. And it happens all the time. Maybe you have fear of that, but then you get over it. And for me, it's really natural, and I don't have to, I'm not scared of filming a video anymore, but I was at the beginning. And you start to learn something else more and more and more, and you'll come across things that make you scared. But if you decide to get over them and actually succeed in that, then you're going to just get over it, and you will be one step more towards success. Number 4 is the comfort zone. So many people are too comfortable. If I was staying comfortable right from the start, I wouldn't even have a YouTube channel. Yeah, and that's anyone that's up there, like on the internet, off the internet. It doesn't matter if you're making money online or if you're making money offline. Like, don't stay in your comfort zone. If you want to stay in your comfort zone, I'm sorry, but you just can't make money like by yourself. You have to, get a job or something, because if you come home from your job and you sit on the couch and watch TV because that's comfortable, then you will not get anywhere. If you come home from your job and actually work on your business, then there's a good chance that you'll be able to succeed, because you're quitting your comfort zone. All you want to do is sit on your couch, but you decide that instead of that, you're going to film your first video, your second video, and you're going to do that every single day. Or maybe it's something completely different. It doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be what I'm doing, but it can be anything. But just step out of your comfort zone. Even though you want to sit on your couch because you're really tired from like work or school or whatever, then just, do something else instead, and do what you should be doing instead of what you feel like doing, because after that, you'll be able to quit your job. Number 5 is you hate people, or you judge people. Like, imagine if you have something like, you come across somewhere where they have some really nice cars, maybe they have a really nice house, or they have a private jet, or like a mega yacht or something like that. Like, if you stay jealous with these people, then like that's a way that's going to hold you back, because like having that mindset of like money related to like them, because maybe you're going to tell like they have rich parents, or they were given everything, or they had money from the start so they could do this, and like, how do you know? Like, they probably had a terrible life at the beginning, or maybe they still do, but you don't know. Like, you have no idea who they are, where they come from, what they started with, anything like that. And trust me, so many people had it worse than you. Like, even if you think it's bad, like, some people had it worse. Some people had it better, like, there's no question. But if you judge people, then that's going to hold you back so much, it's crazy. So number 6 is excuses. You can make, it's like, this thing that people say all the time that is 1 million times, like 1 million% true. And what this is you can either make money or you can make excuses. And that's so true. Like, so many people make excuses of why they can't make money. Because I have this in my family, I have this health issues, my parents got a divorce, or I was sick when I was younger, you name it, there's so many excuses. And you can either take these excuses and just like take them and that's it, or you can say, that's not an excuse, I'm going to make this happen no matter what. Even if this happened in my life, even if this happened, and the people who actually succeed are not the ones that had it easy. The people that actually make it are the ones that decided that they were going to happen, and it didn't even matter what. Like, you are going to make it happen, and that's it. Like, there's no question. So stop making excuses. This is probably the most important thing in here. So stop making excuses. So number 7 is trying to please everyone. So many people try to please everyone because you don't want to hurt that person, or maybe that person will not like it if I do that, or maybe they will judge me, or so many things, and you just have to stop doing that, because if you try to please everyone, you'll please no one. So don't worry about that. Look at the most successful people in the world. They have so many haters, yes, yet they have so many fans. So just stop doing that and try to please everyone. Instead, try to focus on what's important to you, what you think is right, and don't look away from that. Stop trying to please everyone, because that will get you in so many different places and not where you want to be, and you'll be average at everything instead of being great at one thing which you can absolutely do. So number 8 is you justify why things happen. Stop doing that. Stop justifying why things happen, because that's just the way it is. Things happen, but you can make a difference and actually make them happen different. So stop justifying why things happen. Just things happen, learn from it, and go in another way. So number 9 is you're jealous. You're jealous about other people, just like I talked about earlier on. Like, you see people in Ferraris and Lamborghinis and private jets, mega yachts, you name it, and you're jealous of them. You hate them. Like, those people are scams. They're not honest, and all these things. Well, that's going to hold you back, because you think that these people are evil, so you don't want to be like that. Even if it's in the back of your head, you just have to get over it and think that these people are awesome, because they are the people that actually made it happen. And you want to do the same. You don't want to say these people are awesome and I'll never be like them. You want to be, these people are awesome and I'm going to do exactly what they did and get to that place. Number 10 is you're fake. If you're fake and you start being different when you're with someone than with somebody else, and obviously you have to be different whether you're doing a job interview or with your close friends. That's obvious, but you're not a completely different person. Like, when you hang out with different friends, you're not a different person. So you have to stop being fake, because otherwise you won't even know who you are, and that people will notice that. I know some people like that are so different. Like, as soon as they hang out with someone different, they are different as well, because they try to please everyone, which comes back to a point I made earlier. But you have to stop doing that. So number 11 is you are shy. And believe me, I was the worst person at this. Really, trust me, there's not many people that are were shyer than I was, if that's even a word. When I was a kid, I was hiding under the table. I was shy as you can get. And I'm still not talking to everyone that I can or anything like that. But I've gotten way better, and that's something that you have to focus on. I get on to making YouTube videos and going out, but if you just try to hide in your corner like that and don't talk to anyone, and you're scared of doing that, then you won't, that will just hold you back so much. So if you're shy, trust me, it's not an issue. But work on it, really, really work on it. Don't, get yourself out there no matter what. If you're an introvert, I'm the same, but you just have to get out there and do it. Being shy is something that's really crazy to me, because I'm not the most extrovert person out there, but you can still make it happen if you're willing to actually take it on anyway. So number 12 is a huge one as well, is you care what other people think. When I first started this channel, I was so I was thinking about this all the time. What if some people find out about my channel that laugh at me, or it can be so many different things, and if I do this, maybe these people will think that or that or that. But you just have to stop doing that and actually stop caring about it. Focus on what you want to do and what's important to you, and then you will be able to make it happen. So, with that being said, these were the 12 points that are holding you back from making money. And if you don't think you have any of them, then think again, because you probably have them. I still have some of these, and I'm focused on making them better. So, with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.